Come on up. He going under the rack. Don't worry about it. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back.
I am putting my hands behind my back.
I got it. Drop the phone. Drop the phone. Hey! You don't know how to tackle at all. Get down. Get down.
June 1st, 2025. Fort Lauderdale Airport. A passenger refuses to deplane, triggering criminal arrest.
Hello. What's going on?
He's recording now, so you don't even have
He threatened all of us too. What's that? He threatened all of us too. So.
All right, so here's.
What's going on?
BSOS.
Yeah, he knows the story. All right, it's
Okay, so 20. Okay.
Yeah, go in. Personally non-compliant. He's traveling with his kids and another family member, the grandmother. He placed the daughter in someone else's seat, and while we seated them with the grandmother, with the adult part of the family. He removed the daughter and put them in the other seat beside him, and the other daughter, which was assigned to someone else. The flight attendant
Not that part of his family, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Flight attendant asked, to put the daughter back with the grandmother, so the other person was sitting there assigned seat. He refused to do it. He was non-compliant, very combative. He asked him to get off the aircraft, get his stuff, and get off the aircraft. He was very rude, so they become threatening. And he was just non-compliant, very combative, and not listening to any guard instruction. So I had him our card here, a notice of non-compliance. He refused to take it. He started recording me, which he has the right to. But I did let him know I don't consent to him recording. He's right here. So we're like him off the aircraft. The flight crew is not comfortable. They're not safe with him.
Okay, so who you want off the aircraft? Just him?
This gentleman right here.
And the kids can fly with the grandma?
If he's willing to let the kids go with the grandmother, but he's going to have to get on. So who doesn't want him on board, they're not safe. Don't just pay for him on board.
Okay.
We were willing to rebook him on the next flight. Very combative and non-compliant. Not letting at all.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So this is what's going to happen, all right?
Yes.
The pilot doesn't want you on the plane. The crew doesn't want you on the plane.
For what reason?
They don't have to have a reason.
They need to have a reason.
No, not by law. No. Once the pilot says you're off,
Take me
you're
down
off.
on the plane with my kids and my disabled mother.
So your kids can stay with your mother if that's what you want?
No.
Okay. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you no. I'm going to tell you this is the way it works. Okay?
Yes.
Well, they can come off with you if that's what you want. That's fine. All right? They're your kids. You
For
can
what?
take
For
them.
what reason?
Because apparently you're not following rules and
I am
regulations.
following rules. Why?
All right?
I was on my seat.
Okay.
Come on, I'll show
Apparently
you.
I don't need to come anywhere.
I'll show you my
Okay?
seat.
So
I have
if
my
you refuse,
ticket.
listen.
I
If
have
you
my-
refuse to come off, you'll be arrested. Everybody
what?
on this plane will have to come off, and you'll be arrested. As
For
simple
what?
as
Look.
that. All right.
Look, this is my seat. 25D.
Okay.
Can I come and show you where is
No.
my seat?
No,
This is my seat. So you are doing something wrong.
no, I have nothing to do with the plane.
My daughter was supposed
Alright.
to change the seat, but the person.
I'm giving you. Are you going to come off the plane or no? That's all I need.
I
to
am
know.
on my seat. Look, this is the 25D, and I registered where I'm sitting.
Okay. Are
I'm
you
si-
understanding what I'm telling
I
you?
am sitting on 25D.
Okay. Come on up. He's going under the rack. Don't worry about it. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back.
I am putting my hands behind my back.
I got it. Drop the phone. Drop the phone. You don't want to do it the right way, right?
Okay.
I want you to come off with your
Okay,
kids,
okay.
or your kids to go with your mother.
Okay.
But you want to go to jail, so that's what's going to happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Well. You don't know how to tackle at all. Get down. Get down.
Bibi,
30, give me another
stala.
Get down. Turn around.
Bibi stala. Bibi stala. Bibi stala. Bibi Salah. Bibi Salah. Bibi Salah. Aiutami. Aiutami. Aiutami.
Sit down. You will get your ass saved.
Aiutami. 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 Aiutami.
Turn around.
Sono bimbila. Bimbila. Aiuto, Sabina. Sono bimbila. Please. Please, sono bimbila. Please. Sono bimbila, please.
We got two in custody.
Please, sono bimbila. Mia moglie. Please. Sono bimbi, fanno male. Fanno male i bimbi. Sono bimbi là. Oh. Ok. Oh, yeah.
Just wait till the rest of them get here.
Sono bimbi là. Sono bimbi là.
Yeah. You guys want to open up? Y'all good? Yeah. All right. We'll wait till the rest of them get here. Just face the wall. You don't have nothing to talk about. Don't come running at the police like that.
Let go.
No, you was he there.
Because he was coming.
You wouldn't listen.
He was coming
That's
to
why
me.
you in custody.
He was coming to me. I promise you.
Well, the way of doing things.
Please do me a favor. Please do me a favor. Just let him go. Let him go, please. I'll do whatever you want.
I know you
I
will.
swear to God.
That's why
Whatever
you're
you want.
detained right now.
Okay.
This way right there.
I was never detained in my life. This is unfair.
You didn't want to listen,
I'm
so.
not saying that you are doing something unfair. Absolutely. I respect you. I respect your job.
Thank you for respecting me.
Under 14 CFR 121, the pilot in command has final authority over the aircraft. When the crew determines a passenger is a safety concern, that decision is legally binding. Florida Statute 810.08. Once authorization is withdrawn and warning given, remaining on board is criminal trespass. A paid ticket is a revocable contract, not an absolute right. Airlines can deny transport like any property owner. Officers offered accommodation. Children fly with grandmother. Multiple warnings given. Passenger refused every option. When the passenger refused to be handcuffed during lawful arrest, he violated Florida Statute 843.02. Officers used empty hand control, objectively reasonable under Graham versus Connor standard. The father's interference violated Florida Statute 843.01, obstructing law enforcement. As a green card holder, conviction triggers potential deportation under the Immigration and Nationality Act.
But please let him go.
Please. Please.
Just
Please. Sorry, bimbi. Sorry, bimbi.
Mas faz.
There's no debates here. We'll send somebody else come, then I'll walk out.
All right.
Well, actually,
I need somebody
you
to
want to
fill out
wait because
the
you got to get information. So wait. Just hold them out there till somebody else come.
My mom is disabled. She gonna
Okay. We understand. If I didn't want to work, he's going to reside.
I just need your info. Yeah. And my flight and all that.
Action reaction. That's what that's called.
No, they're gonna pay for it.
And you said that
They're gonna have
the dad was trying to grab me, or
Whichever one of you back was turned, you was trying
yeah, I was
to grab
grabbing
me,
his
and
phone
that's
off the floor.
That's,
Okay.
that's when they're grabbing you. We have the camera.
Yeah, you have on my phone too. Don't worry, you have the video. You have everything.
I think it was him. His back was turned, and then the pops was trying to grab on. I don't know what he's
He was trying to grab me. That's what he's trying to do.
The officer's back is
He
turned.
was trying to grab me. That's what he's trying to do. He doesn't even speak English.
I got their info. That's all. Just I'm gonna need somebody else because I got two.
Okay.
We took him, and I guess dad came running after. They said when I was trying to pick up his phone, like this.
After him, yes, after me he was.
Then they went after Samaj.
After me he was running.
You
don't need anything else for anyone on the phone. And I got the two
Who's
friends and
Albert?
witness.
I am Albert.
That's me. So I need the one for the guy. I can print it for you up here.
Can you please let my dad go?
That's not mine.
It's beyond that. It's too late now.
Please.
You didn't want to listen. You could have just came off by yourself and let your whole family fly.
The kids go.
That's how I tried to have you do, right?
It's been a week.
But you didn't want to listen.
It's been a week. They didn't see their mom. Please, officer.
It's not up to us.
Go outside.
Go up front.
You can go whenever you want. Here you go. I'll let my dad go. Who's somebody?
Boy,
I need units with A cage. I don't have a cage. What's your date of birth, Dad?
He doesn't speak English.
Okay. When was your dad born?
4/23, 1956. He was just coming.
And where was he born?
Sheriff, he was just coming to me, man. Come on.
Where was your dad
Do
born?
whatever you want. Just don't register it, please.
Where was your dad born?
In Albania. Really, stream rubber. Go.
He a U.S. citizen or Albanian citizen?
Who?
Your dad.
My dad is Albanian. He has a green card. He didn't do nothing. He was coming to me. The kids were crying, that's why he came.
And what's the phone number for you?
Please, he didn't do anything.
And where were you born?
I was born in Albania.
And are you Albanian citizen still or U.S.?
I'm alright.
You're American now?
Yes, sir. It's been 10 years. I never had trouble with anybody. The guy on the plane, he was very rude.
Right, but I explained to you multiple times
Absolutely.
that they don't want you on the plane. The pilot has the authority of the plane. Whatever they tell you, you got to do it.
I thought you were just trying. I swear to
Why
God.
would I do that?
I swear to my life.
I just wanted you to get off the plane and your children to go with the family.
I thought you were just saying. If
All
I
right.
knew, I would have complied. Absolutely.
I told you that that's the way it's going to work if you refuse, okay?
Absolutely.
So unfortunately,
100%, I will
and that's where
comply.
we're at now. Unfortunately, your family's getting kicked off the plane too.
My mom, can you please?
We don't have control over that.
My
Once the
dad.
airline makes that decision,
No,
that's
for
it.
my dad, please.
No, it's already past that.
Officers, A-. Correct legal application, proper de-escalation, appropriate force. Minor deduction for unprofessional language. Passenger, D. Failed to understand airline authority, refused lawful orders, rejected accommodations, forced avoidable criminal charges. Father, F. Interfering with lawful arrest created his own criminal case and severe immigration consequences with zero benefit. Critical lessons. Airline captain's authority is absolute and cannot be appealed at the gate. Law enforcement warnings must be taken seriously. Refusal after clear warning establishes probable cause. Never interfere with lawful arrest. You transform a family member's misdemeanor into your own felony. For non-citizens, criminal convictions trigger immigration consequences far exceeding the criminal penalty itself. This family transformed a seating dispute into 2 arrests, criminal records, and potential deportation through preventable choices. Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more legal analysis. Thank you for watching.